Hello. Look guys, you will start laughing me. Just got package and you don't know what is inside, but you will be shocked. And all the reason why this package is here arrived today is because I got yesterday my new microphones. Here they are. Ceramic microphones, which I thought I can connect to the GoPro and in that way make much better voice. So see, ceramics with the Bluetooth connection and so on. But I didn't do research good enough. So you guys probably think that inside here is new microphones. No, you are wrong. I have here new camera. Let's see. And what we have here? Ba-bam! DJI Action 4. So I was just yesterday quickly looking through the internet, searching in Google and whatsoever. And that's a sad moment that I didn't do that some few months ago, because DJI, all in all, Action 4 is better than GoPro 12. Sorry. So let's pack out our new action camera. Yes, and by the way, it's not just a Action standard package, it's an adventure combo package. So I guess there is some extra batteries, some extra holders, connections and so on. And it says open here. There is no need for the knife. Okay, open here. Yes. Come on. There's even more inside. Take a look on this stick. Twice as long as GoPro. No need for knife, everything is for the humans. Nice grip. Yo. Can it come longer? It can come longer. Action. What does it say here? Rinse with clean water to remove sand. Okay, I will rinse with the water, no worries. Whoa! Take a look! Holy shit! That's a good 1.5 meters. I didn't know that it's such a long stick included. Nice. And here we have connection for our new grabber arm. Will be looking nice. Good. What we have here? Self camera inside. Do I visible? Good enough. I should move this way. Maybe even better from this angle. So here we have self camera. I hope I will be not disappointed. Now you are asking what is or what I will do with the GoPro. At first I was yesterday sitting and yeah, it's nearly not used, so I thought maybe I will just place in Facebook marketplace for the sale. But then I decided that I will leave that one for some special filmings. Okay. Sounds like aluminium. The body is from the iron. Oh. Tighten the lens protective cover before taking in water. Anyway, we can peel something off. 155 angle. Huge angle. Next package. It's a cover. I have one more package. Should I read manual? Everything is from the aluminium. Everything is iron. GoPro learn. You have everything from the plastic. Iron. Massive, heavy. This is just a stick-on connector included. I don't know, maybe I will use that one, maybe not. And this one is I guess this was this magnetic connector. Fast, and also it's from the iron. You even feel it's nice, tight and heavy. Can you hear? It's an iron. Aluminium. It's not plastic. It sounds heavy. I'm not sure how this calls. This is like a protective case. I think it's a protective case. Only question is, or it's just drop in. Looks like it's just drop in. Pull it up, press it in. And that's one more extra case. And here we have something to peel off. See? That's a strong magnet. That doesn't allow you even connect in the right direction. See? These really good ones, really good connectors. Come off. Whoa, I'm really surprised. Yes, really sad moment that I didn't know that or didn't research some few months ago. Now see, and then it has the same connection on the side. Hop, and that's it. Great. Last package. USB-C cable, like always, really short ones. Thank you. Connector, one more magnetic connector. I really like them, really. It's sometimes also you are just sitting with these GoPro connectors and you are need to connect there, and then you need to unbolt and bolt it again somewhere on. But this is really big improvement. This is totally different game. That's it. You are ready. Boom. You have one like this, for example, on your stick. Then one more you have on the helmet. Boom. You taking from the helmet off, boom, taking on the stick, you are, that's it, done. You go. And here we have battery block. This package comes with the 3 batteries. This is plastic. Don't break anything. Button. Button is to jack the batteries. Boom. Here we have inside 3 batteries. They look pretty similar like GoPro batteries. Nice. You have 3 batteries inside, and then you have USB-C to connect and charge them. Perfect. The question is how easy it's to get inside in here. I didn't place any battery. So easy. Whoa. Okay. I forgot to buy extra memory card. Damn it. But okay, that's the smallest problem. Case, DJI. Then we have some small package more. This is what? If the lens protector is damaged, temporarily replace it with the lens hood. Camera is not waterproof and use it with the lens hood. Okay. Okay, I got it. When you damage this cover, then you'll get this extra ring or whatever it would call on, and then you have some plastic protectors. Maybe it's just so you don't damage camera's lens. Okay, that I think can go back. You must have app for DJI users. I have app, I have drone, I have light cut. Yes, some nice DJI sticker. But I'm not sticking them around. Manual, manual, one more manual. Yeah, manual says this one is 1.5 meter. Anyway, I'm happy. I am happy. So, GoPro, sorry. DJI, even from not starting up and filming, it feels much better. Good. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Press like.